think shows like this one will open people's mind to implementing more sustainable practices, not just into building, but in their everyday lives.
When it comes to energy ratings and stuff like that, I knew about it and always sort of took them on board a bit, but when you can actually get a house that's a 7-star rated house, probably going to be more sitting back looking at products that we were going to use to what we are going to use now.
I think the building industry as a whole needs to be a lot more conscious about sustainability moving forward.
We did learn a lot, and I think that will actually help us going forward in designs, in just having a better understanding on how to create a positive and healthy home.
Actually lucky that we did this first.
Yeah.
Because we would have pretty much been doing a big to the environment.
Now we're doing a big